Libba and I live next to New Hope Creek, and a little further down the creek is the Johnson Mill Nature Preserve, where I have been hiking this afternoon. When I first got here, I came down along the creek, and an owl flew down close to the water. What a beautiful spot, so close to home. This whole nature preserve is a jewel, just waiting to be discovered by anybody who lives nearby. The paths are relatively gentle, and it is not unusual to go from bottomland to higher bluffs and even into some open field areas. There's one section that parallels some old wagon roads that are etched into the side of the hills or along the creek. I commend it to anyone who lives in our area and would like to have a nice afternoon walk in a quiet, peaceful space.